Good morning, students. This is worksheet 3, algebraic expressions, power of literal numbers. So we have a square A and C. Area of this square of side A centimeter is side into side, and we can write area is equal to A multiplied by A square centimeter. The volume of a cube of age x centimeter is volume is side into side into side, that is x into x into x. We can also write in x square is equal to x square, exponent or base. A is the base and 2 is the power or exponent. In x cube we can write x is the base and 3 is the power or the exponent. So a multiplied by a is equal to a to the power 2, or we can write a square, and x into x into x is x to the power 3. So now we write a square x cube x to the power 4 minus x to the power 5, and we read as a square or a to the power 2 x cube or x to the power 3 x to the power 4 and minus x to the power 5. Note, in a literal number a, base is a and power is 1. Because a is equal to a to the power 1, we need not to write power 1. Now 2x to the power 3, it means 2x is multiplied 3 times, 2x into 2x into 2x, and 2x to the power 3, it means 2 into x into x into x. X is written 3 times, not 2. Now variable and constant. What is the diameter of this circle? 3 centimeter. Diameter of circle is 3 centimeter is the radius, and diameter of the circle is 6. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is we can write 2 is equal to 2r. D is equal to 2r. Radius is 5 centimeter, diameter is 10. Then the radius is 3.6 centimeters, so diameter is 7.2. And if radius is 10 centimeter, diameter is 2 into 10, 20. So D is equal to 2r. 2 is a fixed number. D and R are literal numbers. They are not fixed numbers. They depend on the size of the circle. A quantity which does not change its value is called a constant. So remember these definitions. A quantity which does not change its value is called a constant, and a quality which changes its value is called a variable. Remember, the number of hours in a day, the number of months in a year, the number of seconds in an hour, all are constant because they always remain the same. But the length and the breadth of rectangle, the side of a square, may vary as per their size. These are all variables. Now third term in this worksheet, coefficient. So we have 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. 6 is the product and 3 and 2 are factors. Now x, y is the product and x and y are factors. X is said to be a coefficient of y and y is said to be the coefficient of x. In 3ABC, 3BC is the coefficient of A and 3AC is the coefficient of B and 3AB is the coefficient of C. The coefficient of x in x is 1 because x is equal to 1 multiplied by x. The coefficient of x in minus x is minus 1 because minus x is equal to minus 1 multiplied by x. Numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient in 4x. 4 is numerical part and x is literal part. So numerical part is called numerical coefficient and literal part is called literal coefficient. So the numerical coefficient in minus 2y is minus 2, 4ab in is 4 and x is 1 and minus z is minus 1. These are the numerical coefficient. So this is the introduction of worksheet 3. Dear students, now we shall do the worksheet 3 in next video. Thank you.